be fun to watch it drive.
Drive one. So we have Cody. We are ready. Take it away, Pong.
All right, then on your mark, get set, and fight. Here they go. Code Red versus Cruces Crusher. Cruces Crusher is in black, and Code Red is appropriately in red.
One.
So we have a short little reflect in there.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There's some very interesting courts on Cruces Crusher.
Yeah, that is interesting. Yeah, there's a whole lot of them there now. I don't know if they planned on being in this arena or not. That might end up being a liability.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
And also the wedge on Code Red is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
All right, we're just over 2 minutes remaining on the clock.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Another pin.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
And Kelly, who's driving Code Red, also is another combatant here who works at BattleBox.
So is there anyone left at BattleBox?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
Nice job by Duncan at Cruces Robotics there.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that maybe David Rush. It's David Rush.
Oh, David Rush. Yeah, David Rush is still there.
1,
Sorry, we left
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we've got just over a minute remaining on the clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
Oh, seeing a little piece of the self-rider from Code Red falling out there. That's what those are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
Cruces Crusher is pin crazy.
I just thought of a new achievement. We don't have it for this one, but the Home Please Award.
1,
That's nice. Someone write that down.
1,
Yeah,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release.
All right, will this flurry of bolts be enough? Let's find out here, and it is all coming down to the next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is the match.